Hello children, today I will discuss Graciano's speech from Act 1, Scene 1. Let me play the fool with mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come and let my liver rather heat with wine than my heart cool with mortifying groans. So before I have said that, Antonio, what he says that world is a stage where every human being comes to play his or her part, and he has a sad role to play. So in answer to that, what Graciano says, let me play the fool. So what he says that I will like to play the role of clown. Let me make merry and keep laughing and thus grow old and wrinkled. I will be welcoming lines on my face if it comes because of too much laughing. Means he doesn't want to be serious. Then he says that I would rather drink and heat up my liver than my heart to be cooled by sad cries that shorten my life. I would deny fun. It's better to take drink and give pleasure to heart. Why should a man whose blood is warm within sit like his grandsire, cut in alabaster, sleep when he wakes, and creep into the jaundice by being peevish? So he says, if a man has a warm blood in his body, why should he sit motionless like the marble statue of his grandfather? Why should any living man sit still like a statue? And why should a man appears to be asleep when he is actually awake? Why should a man get jaundice by being irritable? I tell thee what, Antonio, I love thee, and it is my love that speaks. So, what he says that I love you, Antonio, and I'm telling you all this because I care about you. There are a sort of men whose visages do cream and mantle like a standing pond, and do a wilful stillness entertain with purpose to be dressed in an opinion of wisdom, gravity, profound conceit, as who should say, I am Sir Oracle, and when I ope my lips, let no dog bark. So what he says, there are men who always look serious. Their faces never move or show any expression like stagnant ponds, which covered with scums. Stagnant ponds covered with scum. And they purposely wear this unchanging expression so that people may have the opinion that they are wise, serious, and profound thinker. And when they talk, they think that everybody else should keep quiet, and even dog stops barking. They what they wish to say, I am Sir Oracle, and when I open my lips, let no dog bark. So you see the meaning of Sir Oracle in your book. O my Antonio, I do know of these, that therefore only are reputed wise for saying nothing, when I am very sure if they should speak would almost damn those ears, which hearing them would call their brothers fool. So what he says, oh my Antonio, I do know about these people that they are called wise only because they say nothing. In fact, I am very sure if they would speak, they would damn, they would injure the hearers because the hearers would be compelled to call them fools. What he wants to say, that I am sure that if they ever opened their mouths, everyone would see what fools they are. I will tell thee more of this another time, but fish not with this melancholy bait, for this fool gudgeon. This opinion come, good Lorenzo, fare ye well a while. I'll end my exhortation after dinner. So again he says that means I shall tell you more about this subject at some other time, but do not try to win. He is giving advice to Antonio. Do not try to win this kind of reputation for wisdom by using a serious expression, as a bait is used to catch cheap fish. Cheap fish. Gudgeon. Gudgeon, you know what is gudgeon? Gudgeon is fish. So he says what? That means he want to give advice to Antonio that please don't go around looking so glum by putting a very serious face. So this is my opinion. But what I can tell, I'm a fool. So this is my opinion and this advice I can give to you. Then he says, come, good Lorenzo, let us go. And to Antonio he says, I bid you farewell for a while and I will finish my lecture after dinner. So children, I will come with next important passage very soon.